Hello and welcome. Today, we are going to go through the installation and setup process of Square Action Automation for workflows. Let's get started. Once in your account, search for App Marketplace and click on it. Next, use the search bar to search for the application you'd like to install, and when you find it, click on it. Next, click on Install and allow and install. From there, refresh your page. When your page is fully loaded, scroll down on your sidebar and search for the application you just installed. Once you find it, click on it. In this interface, we have a series of tabs. The first tab is the documentation tab, which contains information about the application. The next tab is the tutorial tab, which contains videos and smart cues that will help you get the necessary credentials when setting up our application. The next tab is the setup tab, and here is where we set up our application. Let's jump into the setting up of our application. First, click on Start Setup. Next, head to your Square account online. Enter the developers portal and sign in. Fill in your email address or phone number and click on Continue. Next, fill in your password and you click on Sign in. Click on one of your applications. Next, copy the API token, head back to your account, and paste it where required. Click on Complete Setup. Your application has been set up successfully. The next tab is the Support tab. In the Support tab, you can create tickets or book calls with our support team in case you have any issues. The final tab is our change log. It keeps you updated on any changes that have been made in the application. And if you'd like to receive notifications, toggle this on and input your email address. Next, you click on subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.